Welcome again to the Egret Badminton Training Center. To say thank you and as a courtesy to our new and incoming members and guests, we are hosting an open house along with a barbecue. Everyone is encouraged to attend, and more details will be available on our website at badmintontrainingcenter.com in the following weeks. In addition to this, we'd like to recognize our state champions for their amazing work these past years.
After winning state champions in Illinois for 2 years in a row, I really fell in love with badminton, and it's been a really great sport for me to enjoy having social relationships as well as becoming athletically fit and enjoying the sport in general. I really think that if anyone's interested in just playing a sport for fun, then badminton is definitely a great sport, and you should definitely come here to Egret Badminton Center to play some badminton. Thanks.
Okay, I'm Clara. I'm Taylor.
We got third place at state this year.
Yeah, at state this year was really fun. Being with our whole team at school was really fun. And we got to see a lot of people from Egret at state, which was really nice because we know these people and we talk to them a lot. And playing against them was, it was stressful of course, but also we've played against all of them before, so it was nice to see familiar faces.
I think that we worked really hard to get to third place this year. We had a really tough last round, and I think a lot of it was because we last minute did a lot of training and took a lot of privates at Egret,
which really helped us, and then our coaches and our teammates really helped us push our skill level up, which is really good. So Egret has summer camps and winter camps, and they really help us because you come in here every single day and you train really hard, and the coaches make sure they provide you with everything you need. And then we also have open gym, which is happening right now, and it's really fun, and there's food and a lot of people and a lot of fun games, so you should come watch.
Hi, my name is Ankit. I'm a badminton coach at Egret. So today we're having an open house, so I would like to invite all of you to come join us for this great event. It's fun. Also, we're having our summer camp starting next week, so I'm inviting you for that also. Thank you guys.
Hi, my name is Ivan. I come from China. I'm a guest coach here. Come and join us.
Hi, I'm Shivani. I got third at state for our high school competition this year, and I train here at Egret, and it's a lot of fun. We're really welcoming to players of all levels, and you can just come here and have fun. It's really exciting. Thank you.
Well, I'm Bobby. I'm Anaconda. I got second at state in singles. State was it was a cool experience. It was my first year in state, and I knew a lot of people there, so it was really fun. And also it was really cool to have all of the same age people playing together, and it was a good experience. And then the summer camp here I feel like that really prepares kids for a lot of the tournaments that come in the summer, and it'd be really useful, so you should come join us.
My name is Jade, and I'm in 7th grade.
My name is Shannon, and I'm also in 7th grade, and we both go to Egret. I recommend Egret because the people here are really nice, and we built many social bonds together, and it's really enjoyable and fun.
There's a lot of chances to practice together, and also to look at the older kids play a lot. You should come to Egret for summer camp because there's a lot of chances to get hands-on experience playing matches.
And it's also really fun, so you should come.
Hi, I'm Kelly Liu. I'm 16 years old and I'm currently a junior at Fem High School. And so I've competed at the state championships 2 times now. My freshman year I got 4th, and my sophomore year I got 5th. And during my sophomore year, our team, Egret, we basically swept state with 1st through 5th place in singles and 1st through 4th place in doubles, which was a really cool feat for our team to have. And as regarding for summer camp, I attended summer camp for 2 years straight, and it's a really fun experience. You get to make relationships and build stronger bonds with all your friends and your coaches, and you get to like really strengthen your skills overall. And today is open house, and we have a lot of fun, a lot of free food, and a lot of games, and so come join us and play.
To get in on the action, join us this summer at our summer camp programs located right here at our Schaumburg location. Details again are available right now on our website for your information. And just something to put on your calendars, we're hosting a Badminton Charity Open to support the American Red Cross. This tournament will be held on both July 7th and July 8th starting at 9 a.m. Registration forms and more information can be found on our website. Thanks to everyone for your support, and don't forget to stay active. See you on the court.